Hello student, this is Leena, I am maths teacher. Let's learn about next topic is money. So class, everyone know when we buy things, how we buy things? By using money, by giving money, we purchase thing or by shopkeeper sell thing for the money. So class, in every country, the particular country the money had been used is called its currency. So class, the currency of India is rupees and paise. What is the currency of India? Rupees and paise. So class, singular form of rupees is rupee and paise is paisa. So that is the singular form of rupees and paise. It is rupee and paisa. So now today in this chapter class we will learn how we convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. So class, we should know that in 1 rupee we have 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So similarly class, if we are going to convert any rupee into paise, what we have to do? We will multiply 100 in that particular given rupees. Like if I am converting 3 rupees, so class, what is the value of 3 rupees in paise? 3 into 100. We will donate paise by P. So 3 into 100, 300 paise. Simple. Similarly, if we have any amount there to convert, like class, let's take an example. If I am writing there 5.36 rupees, 5.36 rupees, we have to convert it into paise. Class, to convert the rupees into paise, what we have to do? We will multiply 100 in it. So 5.36 is multiplied by 100 paise to convert rupees. So what we have to do class, when we multiply any number by 10, 100 and 1000, what will happen? Our point is shifted from that side. So after 2 digits, 1, 2. So our paise is 536 paise. So when we convert rupee into paise, what we have to do? Multiply 100 by the rupees what we have to given. Now class, if you are converting paise into rupee, what we have to do? So class, here 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. It means we have to divide the paisas by 100. Like if I have 400 paise and we have to convert it into rupees, what we have to do? 400 divided by 100. And 100 fours are 400. So here 4 ways are answered. Simple. Let's take another example. If I am having 586 paisa, so class, what we have to do? 586 divided by 100. So class, here we have 2 zeros and we know after 2 zeros we place a point. So 5.86 rupees is our answer. So similarly class, if we are converting a rupee into paise, we have to multiply by 100. And if we are converting paise into rupee, so we will divide the particular given digit there.